What's up, beauties? I'm Bianca Renee and you're watching Bianca Renee Today. And today we're going to talk about the very popular IPSY Glam bag. For those of you that recognize this pink packaging, you already know how excited you get when this shows up on your doorstep. An IPSY Glam bag is a beauty subscription service where they send you new products every single month. So for only $10 a month, you get a cute little makeup bag like so, full of makeup, skincare, or hair products. Every month you get a different cute little makeup bag full of either full-size or deluxe sample-size products. So in this month's bag, this is February's bag. First of all, the actual bag itself is very, very cute, which I will definitely be using. I got some Pacifica eyeshadow, I got a NYX lipstick, I got a face mask, I got the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, I have a liner from Makeup Forever, got some skincare, and of course, gotta have that highlight. So in today's video, I'm gonna use every single product in my IPSY bag, and that is how I got this look. So let's get started. The first item in my IPSY Glam bag is the Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxifying Pink Clay Mask. This will literally draw out any toxins in your skin. It has botanical ingredients to absorb dirt and impurities. It's non-drying and it's a very gentle formula that tightens the appearance of pores, leaving your skin glowing. This was a really comfortable mask to wear because it wasn't too drying, so I was still able to move my face. And you'll see that it quickly does dry to make it completely white. After about 15-20 minutes, you're going to rinse it off using cool water. I usually would just use the sink, but for the sake of the video, I'm using a wet cloth. Now my skin feels super smooth, so clean, and my pores definitely are minimized. The next skincare item in my IPSY bag is the Mad Skincare Spot On Targeted Skin Brightening Serum. As you can see, I have many dark spots. You know, I just kept them for the sake of this video, of course, just so I had something to show you guys. So, you know, I got some here, there, you know, everywhere. But this serum is packed with vitamin C and botanicals to help brighten up those dark spots and sort out uneven skin. It's also paraben and cruelty-free. So now that my face is clean, I just put on my moisturizer and my primer, and I'm going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation today. Now I'm going to grab one of the items that I was very excited to see in my glam bag, which is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. This is a anti-aging, full coverage, waterproof concealer. I've already used this in the past, and I used it until I literally couldn't use it anymore. I'm talking about I cut it open and scraped out the remainder because this stuff works so well. So as you can see, I have very dark circles. Maybe that foundation helped a little bit, but I need them to be completely gone. So using a flat concealer brush, I'm just gonna apply a little bit on here. This is the medium tan color. I like it to be a little bit lighter and brighter than my skin tone underneath my eye as my highlight. So let's do this. Oh yes. When applying a concealer, it's best to make this little triangle shape. Don't just get your actual dark circles, then it'll just be like a little awkward circle underneath your eyes. This will help brighten up everything and make the dark circles look less noticeable. Now, although this is called Bye Bye Under Eye, it's such an amazing concealer. I actually put it in all of my highlight spots. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelids and a little bit on my T-zone. Down my nose, cupid's bow, and chin. Now I'm grabbing my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend this out. Now I'm going to set my under eye using my Laura Mercier setting powder. Now I'm just going to set the rest of my face using these Bare Minerals Matte Powder Foundation. Since I just used the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, let me go ahead and keep it in the family and get my IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil and fill in these brows. some fun and go back into my IPSY bag and take the Pacifica eyeshadow palette. This is the Beach Crystals Natural Mineral Eyeshadow Palette, and it's actually infused with coconut. Us curly girls put coconut oil on everything, so now there's coconut in my eyeshadow. This is gonna be fun. This palette is also 100% vegan and cruelty-free. First, I'm gonna create a base on my eyeshadow, just grabbing like a light brown color. This is just out of my little Morphe palette that I use all the time. And we're just gonna sweep this across here. Now I'm gonna grab this glittery purple one, this last one in the color Mars, and I'm going to sweep this over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna grab this deep purple, which is the color Raw Power, and I'm gonna pop this in the corner. Now I'm gonna grab a flat brush and add some of this gold, which is called Faceted. Also inside my IPSY bag, we have a black liner. This is by Makeup Forever, so you do get some legit brands in your bag. This is their Aqua XL eye pencil. Ooh, this is ultra creamy, waterproof, long-lasting. Ooh, and it glides on really easily. I like it. Now to add my winged liner, I'm going to be using my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. Now I'm going to add on these eye lower lashes. These are called Curly Queen. Now for my contour, I'm going into my NYX Highlight and Contour palette, and I'm going to snatch these cheekbones real quick. Going in with the yellow highlight color, and making sure that that liner stays in place. For my blush, I'm using this MAC Raisin color. MAC is another brand that IPSY does sometimes put in your bags. Going back in my IPSY bag, I'm gonna grab this highlight. This is the Luna highlighter in the color Luna. This is their baked highlighter, and it's like a gold shimmery color, which is my personal preference when it comes to a highlight. This long-lasting formula is supposed to keep me glowing for hours, so I'm gonna dab some of that on there. Yes. Glow, baby, glow. That is pretty. Going back in my IPSY bag, I'm going to grab my lip color. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie in the color Beauty Mark. This definitely goes on so smooth. It feels like you're putting on whipped cream. The liquid lingerie line does have a matte finish, and it's infused with vitamin E. And voila! This is my completed face using everything in my IPSY bag. So if you want to see this beautiful pink bag show up on your doorstep every month, full of new makeup, hair, skincare products, you also could join the IPSY Glam Bag family. I'll put a link below so you guys can sign up as well. And if you already use IPSY, please leave a comment, let me know how much you love getting your makeup, hair, or skincare products every month. If you want to get my daily beauty, makeup, hair tips, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ms. BiancaRenee. Also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I post 2 new videos every week, once on Friday and once on Sunday. So I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching BiancaRenee Today.